Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we'll be seeing what is the printer admin and assigning jobs to the printer. In this, we'll go through what is printer module, how to create printer admin, and for your outsourcing and for your in-staff, in-house also assign the jobs automatic to your printer, to the person who is handling the jobs. Admin, as I said, for your outsourcing printer as well as for your inbound staff. Managing outsourcing printers, how to manage if you are outsourcing the printer vendors, some jobs, several jobs you are outsourcing to a particular printer or number of printers, that you can create the different admins for different printers and assign the jobs on the product basis or as and when you wanted to do to generate report for your outsourcing printers. Let's get dive into it and check the printer module. For a printer module, first you need to have the printer module enabled, and that can be done from the store configuration settings. You have to go in store configuration settings, and you have, when you search as a printer, you have four options. That is, number one, enable the printer module. Yes, if it is enabled, then you will be able to see this option over here. If you are outsourcing, then you should enable this admin price as yes, and when you enable this price as yes, then you will see this option as vendor price and markup price. Now this is what you will be paying to the printer, and this is what you will be getting the commission from the this is the price that you will take from your customer, and whatever you enter the price over here will be given to your printer vendor. So now let us go and check how you can do that. So now let us create a new printer. For that, you have to go to business partner, click on printer, and here it is, click on add. Now when you add the printer, you have to enter all the details of this printer. Whatever printer name you have, you can enter the details. So here I have completed the details of the printer I have entered, and I will click on save and back. So the new printer is created called OnPrintShop, and this is his user ID. So now let us first go and check how the printer will be able to log in and what he will get. So here you have to give this URL to your printer as well. That means the same URL that you create for, or you use for your admin panel. Now I will log in as OnPrint, and 1234 is the password. Now this is the printer admin, where he will have the details of the list orders, his printer name, and the information regarding his address and all, and the reports that he can generate. So as a printer, the reports will be generated on based on his commission on and based on the order summary that he has done. On the dashboard, he will be notified, the printer will be notified total number of job, active jobs, and paid commission. That means as super admin, you paid to this printer, and unpaid commission and cancelled commission. All these details will be there as a printer. Now let me log out from here and log in as super admin once again. So I can, now we will assign a job to the printer. Now let us assume that we have received this job right now, and you want to assign this job to the printer that we have just recently created. Now this job business card, standard business card is there. The standard business card price is also should be set. If you are outsourcing, that standard business card price should also be set as you will be paying to the printer also. In this, go and search the pricing of the standard business card, where I have explained that this amount will be paid to the printer, and this is what your markup. So this way you can set the vendor price and the admin price. Okay, now let us go and assign the job to the printer. What I have to do, I have to go to that particular order, and the order which I want to assign, I have to select from here, click on action and assign job to the. Now the list of printers will be populated, and you can assign the job to any of the printer that you have created. Now I have recently created this printer, so I will assign the job to this printer, and the printer will be notified, and the comments that you want to pass into your printer, that you can. So this comment you can type in and click on save. And now as soon as you save, the icon will appear over here. So from here, if you have large number of printers, then you can click on this and you can see this job is assigned to this printer and this job is assigned to this. So this way you can check which job is assigned to whom. Let us log out from here and check what the printer will actually get. So let us log in as the printer and check how he has received. Now the job is active. The commission he should be earning on the job which he has given from you, that is 25. Now what he has to do, he has to click on here and list orders. Now he will download the file from here, and whatever the file is there to be printed, he will be downloading same as you do, and it will be done by him. So this way he will be able to download the file and do the printing. Now the job ticket is available over here. Click on the job ticket. He'll click on the job ticket and the job ticket is mentioned. Now the information regarding the thing that you have given to the printer is here on the view page. We will check it from here that what information you have passed to him. As so now let us log out from here and log in as a printer, as a super admin. What I was now here, if on the job ticket you don't want to pass this information to your printer, so what you can do as a super admin, you can go to store configuration settings, go here and search as vendor, and the information that you don't want to pass to the printer or the printer vendor, that information you can select. If you select personal and billing, then the shipping information will be going. If you select all information, that no information will go to the printer on the job ticket. Now let me go in here and click on save. Now this way you can assign the jobs to the printer. Okay, so the job is assigned. Now the printer, let us assume that printer has completed his job and now he needs to be paid. So how you can pay to the printer? So click on business partner, go to printer and go to the printer on which you want to whom you want to make the payment, and click on printer commission. Now here he has, this is what the total price was and this is his commission. Now please remember, the commission is paid offline and it is not through the system. So the commission has to be paid by you to your printer offline, via cash, via check, or via whatever means. So what you have to do, you have to select the order or the option and click on action and make the payment paid and click on submit. And now check. Here we have as a super admin, here you have paid. Let us log in as a printer again and check two things. That is, number one is the job ticket and number two the payment. No payment, unpaid amount is 0, and we can check the reports from here. You can show the reports and vendor commission, this much amount is paid for this order. So vendor commission he has earned this much. And now let us move and check the job ticket. Since as a super admin you have stopped the information going in the job ticket of your customers, of your client. So let us check whether that information is going or not. So no information about your client address, nothing, no billing address, no shipping address, nothing is going. So this way you can restrict the information of your customers going to your printer. So this way the printer module can work. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.